Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential tutorial for you. We'll show you how to convert MKV to MP4 using VLC Media Player. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. First, let's identify the MKV file that we want to convert. Here's the MKV video file we'll be working with today. You can confirm that this is MKV video by right-click on it. Then go to Properties. Here you can see, it is the MKV file. Step 2. Now, open VLC Media Player. If you don't have it installed, you can download it for free from the official website. Step 3. In VLC, click on Media in the top left corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. A new window labeled Open Media will appear. To add your MKV file, click on the Add button. Browse your computer for the MKV file you want to convert. Once you find it, select it and click Open at the bottom of the window. Now you'll return to the Open Media window with your MKV file listed. To proceed, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom. Step 4. In the Convert window, you'll see the source file. Next, click on the drop-down menu under Profile to select the output format. For this tutorial, we'll choose YouTube HD, which is an MP4 format. To specify where the converted MP4 file will be saved, click on Browse and choose your desired destination folder. I'll save it to the desktop. With everything set up, click the Start button at the bottom. A progress bar will appear, indicating that the conversion is in progress. After a short wait, the conversion will be completed. To find your newly converted MP4 file, go to the destination folder you specified earlier. Here's our video_converted MP4 file. Let's check it to confirm. Here you can see it is MP4 file. Congratulations, you have successfully converted MKV to MP4 using VLC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.